Washington Election Integrity Coalition United, WEiCU, is dedicated to restoring transparent, secure, and publicly verifiable elections to Washington state. Some may not know that Washington, within the election integrity community, is one of the worst offenders when it comes to electoral issues. For instance, chain of custody. A mail-in state has zero chain of custody, no matter what they try to tell you. In a court of law, when the evidence loses chain of custody, it's no longer admissible. So why would we allow our ballots that have no chain of custody or any to speak of? Why would we allow those elections to be certified? These and many other concerns plague our state, although those that are in positions of power seem to want to sweep it under the rug. There's nothing to see here, but we all know that there is, and we all know that there's something terribly wrong with our electoral system, not just in Washington, but within the whole country. We've seen hearings all over the country in the battleground states, and we thought that we, the people, could hold our own hearing and didn't have to wait for any formal hearing to take place, for us to have our voices be heard. So you will hear from real people with real issues, real concerns, as well as whistleblower testimony and expert witnesses that are the top of their field in data analytics as well as technologies. In particular, we've heard quite a bit about scorecard lately. And did you know in 2014, it was called fraction magic, coined by an election integrity icon herself, Bev Harris, and Benny Smith, the programmer that actually discovered it. We're going to hear from him and hear from quite a few other people, just excerpts to give you an idea and to come into focus, bring into focus what's really going on here in Washington state. Did you know that we had massive security breaches here within the general election? Not just one, not just two, but three. And did you know one of them was a ransomware attack that shut down a whole county, and that county actually was able to certify? These things and more you will be able to hear in this hearing.